Have you any problems with going to your shop in your ED software? Follow me. It is very important to log in on your PC or a tablet on your Volkswagen ID. In that forum you has to shop something. I will show you what to shop. How to log in to Volkswagen. Go to Google, search Volkswagen. You will find Volkswagen at your country. Go to that page and log in with your password and code. Here is my cars. When I have logged in, you can see I have recharge, I have play, I have service. You can see my car's system is system comfort, light, tires, brakes, engine. No upgrades, all is fine. Okay. I have reconnect. Yes, I have reconnect. Start 1 plus. All is okay. My next service. But if you didn't have this info before I bought all things in the shop at my PC, that will here 0 against 3, so it was not okay. So I go to the shop. When you are going to the shop, you will buy all this here. It's free. You doesn't have to pay for it. So when you had done that, put then in the basket. When the basket is all, you have take all the things in the basket, buy it, confirm, do all the thing you had to do, buy it. It's free. Then go to the car. Go out to the car, hit the brake, the system boot up, and there will come some information in the system that says how to install the different thing. And when it asks you to install it, you install it. Install, and after some minutes you are finished, and then all is fine. And now maybe you should go out of the car. I don't know. I didn't do it, but if to be secure, go out of the car, lock the car, wait for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, go into car, hit the brake, and then you can go into the system, the home button, choose the shop, and then in the shop you can go in and see the shop. And after you can see the shop, all is fine. You nothing you can do anymore. Maybe in the future you can pay and choose another thing in the shop. I don't know. But if the shop is there and you can go into the shop and there's nothing to buy, all is fine. So that is the way you can do all the thing you want to do. You can hit here. Yeah. After that, you can go in on your PC, your laptop, your whatever you do. Don't do it on your phone. Don't do it. You can see here, if you scroll down in the specific buys, you can see in the Danish here, I have bought Reconnect Plus the 10th of June, so that is bought. All fine. Or what is in the package? You can see here. All thing is done. So, but the issue was, my dealer didn't give me that info. I find it out of myself. So that is the issue. I think, why didn't the dealer tell me, go home, go on the shop and buy all this thing free and your system will work fine. So that is what to do, and then you can sip a glass of wine.